Once upon a time, in a snug little cottage at the edge of a thick, whispering forest, there lived a cheerful family of 7 goats and their loving mother. Each morning, the sun bathed their home in golden light, and the goats would frolic in the lush meadow, nibbling on sweet grass and playing games among the swaying trees. One bright morning, as the sun peeked through the leaves, Mother Goat prepared to venture into the forest to gather food for her little ones. She gathered her children around her, her eyes serious. "Listen carefully, my dear ones," she said. "Beware of the big bad wolf. He lurks in these woods, waiting for a chance to gobble you up. Keep the door locked and don't let anyone in but me." The 7 little goats squeaked in agreement, their hearts fluttering with excitement and a hint of fear. Mother Goat kissed each of them goodbye and set off into the forest, her heart heavy with worry for her children. No sooner had Mother Goat disappeared than a shadowy figure emerged at the edge of the clearing, the big bad wolf, his eyes gleaming with hunger. little goats, let me in," the wolf called out in a fake sweet voice. "Your mother has sent me to fetch you." But the clever little goats recognized the wolf's rough voice and knew better than to trust him. "No, no, no. You're not our mother. Our mother's voice is gentle and sweet, not rough like yours." "Go away, big bad wolf," they cried together, fearfully huddling inside the cottage. Angered that the goats wouldn't let him in, the wolf thought of a devious plan. He crept around to the back of the cottage and climbed onto the roof, hoping to trick the goats into opening the door. Little goats, let me in," the wolf called again, his voice soft through the chimney. "Your mother has sent me to fetch you." This time, the cleverest of the little goats peeked out of the window and spotted the wolf's tail disappearing up the chimney. "Look out, brothers and sisters. It's the big bad wolf trying to trick us." "Don't be fooled," he warned, his voice filled with worry. The smart goats sprang into action. They fetched a big pot of boiling water and placed it under the chimney. Then, with a loud cry of "now," they pushed the wolf off the roof and sent him tumbling down into the pot below. With a yelp of pain, the burned wolf ran out of the pot and fled into the forest, never to bother the goats again. When Mother Goat returned home, she found her little ones safe and sound, gathered around the table, sharing tales of their adventure and courage. She hugged each of them tightly, proud of their smart thinking and bravery in the face of danger. The 7 little goats learned that as long as they stuck together and stayed true to their feelings, they could overcome any problem, no matter how big or scary. As the stars twinkled in the night sky, the goat kids drifted off to sleep, knowing that they were safe and loved in their comfortable little house in the heart of the forest.